Construction sites are noisy places, which is fine if there's no one around. But if people live or work nearby, it can become a real challenge. This video will highlight 4 steps to help cut noise pollution from the temporary power supply on site. Hybrid battery generators. Hybrid battery generators are a great option. They enable energy to be stored and then used when needed. The lack of an internal combustion engine means that when a hybrid unit is providing a site's power, it's almost silent, which is ideal for nighttime running. Container gens. The Power Electrics Container Gen is a containerized diesel generator housed within a bonded heavy-duty ISO container and is acoustically optimized to reduce noise levels to 70 decibels at 1 meter. Generator design. Generators can be loud if not sufficiently enclosed and dampened. All Power Electrics generators are enclosed and positioned on anti-vibration mounts, which isolates vibrations and reduces noise transmission. Acoustic barriers. Temporary acoustic fencing is a quick and effective solution to cut noise even further. It's ideal for construction projects, utility networks, and outdoor events. Speak to one of our generator specialists today to find out how Power Electrics can help with your next project.